The race is on for companies to harness AI and stay competitive. But overseeing and deploying enterprise-level systems can be complex. Equinix and NVIDIA offer a unique high-performance environment for AI operations that addresses privacy and secure connectivity needs, while also providing the powerful compute and advanced cooling necessary for data-intensive AI workloads. Optimize your enterprise AI strategy with NVIDIA's powerful DGX systems running in Equinix's high-performance data centers. Seamlessly connect your existing infrastructure and rely on secure access to your data on-premise, and tap into any major public cloud provider's services as needed over private network links with direct high-speed connectivity to both public and private clouds. DGX systems easily integrate with your existing infrastructure, allowing you to effortlessly scale your AI deployments within our data centers. And you can reduce costs at the same time. Train and deploy models using your valuable data to exponentially enhance key functions of your business, such as drug discovery, fraud detection, imaging analyses, and predictive analytics. In essence, NVIDIA and Equinix provide a turnkey solution for organizations looking to harness the power of AI without having to build and optimize the infrastructure from scratch, all while keeping full control of your proprietary data and benefiting from our robust security and compliance measures. Our managed solutions team can even take care of the setup and operations so you can focus on what you do best, managing your business. Find out how Equinix and NVIDIA can jumpstart your enterprise AI journey today.